We're trying to find the probability that the string of light bulbs will fail. And if at least one fails, at least one fails, they all fail. So this is an at least problem. So if we're trying to find the probability at least one fails, that's the same thing as 1 minus the probability none fail. Do you agree with that? At least one fails. That means 1 fails, 2 fails, 3 fails, 4 fails, or it could be, you know, the first 2 fail and the next 8 do not fail. But the only one that's not included in here would be the one where if they don't, 1 minus the probability if they don't fail is if you have a string of 10 light bulbs and it's non-fail, non, you know, 10 of them. And if you subtract off that, you're going to be left with all the other light bulbs where there is at least one failing light bulb. So 1 minus the probability of non-failing is 1 minus, well, the probability of fail is 0.06. So the probability that does not fail is 1 minus 0.06 or 0.94 raised to the 10th. Because this one doesn't fail, and this one, and this one, and this one. I'm saying the word and that means multiply, and you've got 10 of those. So that is E.